Hello and welcome to Flower Joos. My name is John McDonald and today I'm going to show you how to make an arrangement using the kind of hand-tied technique to put it together, and then we're going to put it in a container with water. So I've got some really nice materials this time. We've got some lovely asparagus fern, got some beautiful craspedia, we've got some aspidistra, a little bit of French ruscus, some palm leaves, a few of the strelitzia leaves. I've got these beautiful individual blooms, these chrysanthemum blooms, and they're in a striking yellow. And really the star of our show is these fritillaria. So this is a flower that's seasonal and it's available just now, but this is the thing that is actually going to give us a little bit of a difference and make people look twice, because they're going to think, what is that? So really what we're going to do is we're going to create the hand tie just in our hand before we put it into our container. And what I want to do is create something that's got a little bit of volume and then the greenery coming from that. So we can basically work this from what we've got. So what I'm looking to do is add a bit of volume here and maybe some interest with our, maybe some grouping. But really it's a case of just looking at your materials, seeing what you've got and how best you want to play it or place it. So what I'm going to do is just bring the blooms quite close down. Now if these are a little bit big, what you can do is you can cut them just to get them out of the way, or get the stems out of the way. Now I'm removing the lower foliage on the material that I'm going to use. If you've got too much foliage, or if you've got foliage that's going to sit in the water, that's just going to make the water go off, and that's not going to be ideal. So really with the choice of materials here, we've got a little bit of a contrast between textures and colours. So what we've done is we've kind of grouped our chrysanths and we're getting a little bit of volume there. So a little bit of visual weight. And our asparagus is just giving us a change in texture. What we can do, we can fold our aspidistra leaves. So I'm just bringing them over and gathering them. And then really for our craspedia, we can use these to bring in another perspective. So we're going to capture some space, or we're going to take away, give a contrast to this heaviness that we've got lower down. And this is really our design, so we've kept it really very simple. Because we've got the hand tie in our hand, as long as we don't hold this too tight here, we can actually have a wee play around with our materials. So if I want, I can move that completely, but I can bring it back. So just have a wee decide before you tie it exactly how you want it to be. So what we've done here is we've created a little bit of recession with this flower, and then we've got that feeling of space with our other material. So we're not making it too heavy, but we are making it interesting. So I think that is us with that. And really just to tie it off, I'm going to use some paper covered wire. But I saw these blooms and I just loved them. And actually putting them beside the fritillaria is just such a nice combination. So actually sometimes you don't need lots of different flowers, you just need to have 2 or 3 key flowers that will make an arrangement special. So This is our bouquet, or our arrangement. And what we've done is we've basically hand-tied it so everything comes through this binding point. Just take off any little bits of foliage that might be below the water line. And now we can cut it and put it into our container. So the container that I want to use is this fantastic metal container, and I just love it. So we're looking at how best to cut it. And it's always amazing how short you need to go. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So really we've got quite a visually big container. So we've gone bold with our leaves. We've captured more space by using our craspedia and bringing them out. And we've taken the eye in with the heavier of the blooms in there. And we've got a really nice colour combination. So an arrangement that was quite simple to make, or quite quick to make. And it really is just a case of playing with your materials, putting them together and just working in those contrasts. So I hope you've enjoyed our arrangement for today. If you'd like to keep up to date with our other videos, then click here to subscribe, and thank you for watching.